Welcome everybody, today I will be reviewing the BenQ TH671ST projector. Amazon links with the best price in the description, don't miss out. Rating, 4.7 out of 5, 77% 5-star ratings in Amazon. The BenQ TH671ST is a versatile and reliable projector that delivers fantastic value for its price. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or giving presentations, it's a solid choice that won't disappoint. Equipped with full HD 1080p resolution and 3000 ANSI lumens brightness, the TH671ST ensures sharp, vibrant visuals even in well-lit rooms. The high contrast ratio brings out deep blacks and vivid colors, making movies, games, and presentations pop. The short throw capability is especially impressive, projecting a massive 100-inch screen from just 1.5 meters away, which is ideal for small rooms or tabletop setups. Setting up the TH671ST is a breeze. The vertical keystone correction ensures perfectly aligned images even when the projector isn't placed directly in front of the screen. BenQ's wall color mode allows you to project onto non-white surfaces, such as colored walls, while still maintaining accurate image quality. The projector is equipped with 2 HDMI ports, making it easy to connect to gaming consoles, streaming devices like Chromecast, Apple TV, or Fire TV, and other peripherals. The built-in speaker offers decent audio quality, but for a more cinematic experience, connecting an external sound system is recommended. Gamers will appreciate the low input lag, ensuring smooth and responsive gameplay without delays. Whether you're playing fast-paced FPS games or exploring open-world adventures, the projector keeps up effortlessly. The short throw distance also enhances the gaming experience by allowing you to sit closer to the action without shadows interfering with the display. The BenQ TH671ST is a premium short throw projector that strikes the perfect balance between performance, convenience, and affordability. Designed with gamers and entertainment enthusiasts in mind, this compact yet powerful device delivers an immersive viewing and gaming experience that's hard to beat. Weighing just a few pounds, the portable design makes it easy to move the TH671ST between rooms or even take it outdoors for a backyard movie night. The clean white finish and compact build blend seamlessly with any environment. The BenQ TH671ST Full HD 1080p projector is an excellent choice for gamers, movie buffs, and casual users alike. Its sharp visuals, low input lag, and short throw capability make it a standout product in its category. Whether you're looking to elevate your gaming sessions or create a home theater experience, this projector delivers exceptional performance at a competitive price. Amazon links with the best price in the description, don't miss out.